Namaskar parents, I am Anand Prakash, co-founder of Vedantu.
And I am Pulkit, co-founder of Vedantu. So today we are really excited to share Vedantu's amazing results with all of you, a journey that all of you are part of. And now with me, I have our dear Anand sir, who is the head of academics of Vedantu. And he has been mentoring students for last 18 years now. And he has mentored so many amazing children who have got top ranks in the country, including multiple All India rank, once in IIT, in AIMS, and this year All India rank 15 as well. So I want to ask you, Anand sir, first of all, tell us about the ranks of and the results of Vedantu.
So, if you look at the history of Vedantu, for the past 6 years, we have been producing tremendous results, a lot of top 100 results. Every year, we have been producing this top 100 result. This year, we had a tremendous result because in JEE Mains, 1400 students got qualified to write the JEE Advanced, and now approximately 400 plus students have already. So we have only collected few results.
So that is 1 in every 3 students have qualified JEE Advanced.
JEE Advanced.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
With the highest rank of 15, and then second rank as 92, All India rank 92, and then 390, 511. So a lot of students in top 1000, lot of students in top 3000.
So for all the parents and students who are watching this, you should be really proud of all these results. Why? Because you are part of this system, and you should understand that this system is equipped and capable of taking you to the highest level to help you achieve your dreams if you follow this system religiously. And that is what these children did. So on this note, I think Anand, we should talk about the journey of Daksh, who has got this rank 15, right? And all the children and parents should know what it takes for someone to actually reach at this level. So Anand, take us through the journey of Daksh. When did Daksh join us? What was he preparing for? How has his journey been? Tell me all this.
So before I go ahead, parents, I think I would like to thank Daksh parent as well as all the parents who have been a part of Vedantu, because you have put your trust and faith in Vedantu. And it is our responsibility to ensure that your kids perform at the highest level, whatever level it is. It is our duty, without judging them. We have to actually push their limits and also understand their potential and make them or make sure that they reach their potential. So thank you for being an integral part of Vedantu, and we can all call you Vedans, because clearly everyone who is part of Vedantu are Vedans for us. So thank you for being a part of this journey. So now, Pulkit, I would like to answer your question. So Daksh, he joined in 9th grade. So at the end of 9th, he was looking for something ahead of his class, and he stumbled upon our Maths Olympiad program. So he attended a camp, he liked the camp, and then he thought of pursuing for JEE Advanced in 10th grade.
So he was an Olympiad aspirant to begin with.
Yes.
Right? In class 9th and 10th. Yes. And he then joined our 𝐼RMB batch.
𝐼RMB batch, which is a 3-year program for JEE Advanced.
Got it.
So he joined 𝐼RMB, and then his journey began at the end of 10th. As a lot of parents have this question, his parent also had this question that should we continue, should we move some other place, because sometimes it happens that it's a new system, can we trust the system to produce that rank?
So I think, some more context there. So Daksh family lives in Bangalore, right? And at that time we didn't have the offline program in Bangalore. So the question was, should he continue with the online system, or should he look for some offline system, right?
But Daksh was ultra clear. He wanted time for his sports. He wanted to balance between study and sport, and therefore he chose our online program at Bangalore, because clearly there was no offline for Vedantu. So he chose, and he continued for next 3 years, 10th, 11th, so 11th and 12th. And at Vedantu, we generally, for any student, we have milestones. So at any level, we have milestones. So for Daksh, we created 2 milestones, one for 11th, one for 12th. In 11th, we thought that he should clear any Olympiad. So typically Olympiads, which is conducted by the national body like Homi Baba, and he should clear Olympiad. So he not only cleared Olympiad, he
not just cleared, yes, he got a gold for India.
Yes, so basically so he actually in astronomy Olympiad, he went to represent the country, and he got gold for the country at the end of 11th. So we were very sure that the first checkbox is ticked, and he's on the right path, because for every student, and this is very important message for to all the parents, that for every student at Vedantu, we set a benchmark and we set an internal target. We never talk to the student or the parent, but internal benchmark is set for each and every student where we have to take them, and backward we work backwards. So for him, this was the first milestone. The second milestone happened in 12th. So we had that he should definitely clear physics Olympiad because his first love was physics out of all the 3 subjects. He cleared the first stage, but he could not clear the second stage. And that was a setback for us because every time when we set something, we felt that a top 50 or a top 100 student should definitely clear both these stages. So he could not clear the second stage. And that was the time when I started actually looking at his marks.
No, so that brings me to this question. So to all the parents, so I and Anand sir, we live in the same apartment complex and we usually walk in the night. And that was one night when, I saw him very perturbed, very nervous, very anxious, right? And you discussed with me that he's not getting the kind of marks that you expect him to get, right? What happened?
So typically, if you're targeting a top 50 rank, you expect the student to be very good at maths and he should be scoring approximately 90-95% in maths. So when I looked at his marks, he was scoring for JEE Advanced test, he was scoring 75-80%. Now 75-80% is good, but not for a student who is looking for top 100 rank or top 50 rank specifically. So that time I wanted to discuss with maths sir, Surendra sir, but he was not there. So I just called Daksh and I told him that, beta, from the next exam, it's a 3-hour exam. Typically one paper is 3 hours, the another paper is again 3 hours. So I told him that either you take more time in maths. So you take 1.5 or 2 hours in maths, but I want you to score full marks in maths. At the end, I wanted to see whether his concepts are clear or he is not able to manage the time. That was my point from this thing. So from the next test, I was surprised. He started scoring full marks.
Wow.
And suddenly Surendra sir's call came. Sir, what happened? I was not there. He's scoring full marks in maths. Then Daksh told him that, AP sir told me this, that you have to score, take more time. And then other teachers started calling me that he's not scoring chemistry marks, he's not scoring physics marks. But I said that for the next 10 exam, I will not disturb him. I want to set a mindset that he can score full marks in maths. And since then, in every test that he's given, it's only 1 or 2 exams. In JEE Mains, he scored 95 out of 100. That was the only exam he could not score full marks. But almost every test he scored. He almost scored full marks, even in JEE Advanced.
So this is very important for all of you to know. Daksh is the only student in the country who scored 120 out of 120 in JEE Advanced ka math paper. Only child in the country.
As far as we know, yeah.
Yes.
But toppers have not scored that.
So 100% marks in maths in JEE Advanced is unheard of. This is what Daksh did. And see, the important message for all of you here is that, we teachers are there to continuously look at the students, observe them, strategize with them, guide them, mentor them, right? And we want you and all the students to take as much help from the teachers as possible, right? And just continue to put in your hard work and your trust in them. So do whatever they say, blindly follow them, and that is what will take you to your dreams.